from the mountain. We come from.
My name is Shauna.
My name is Shauna Antonia.
Visiting Grandpa and Grandma.
Visiting Grandpa and Grandma. My name is Ryan Antonia. I'm visiting Grandma and Grandpa. And we're gonna sing. We come from the mountain. We come from the mountain, we come from the mountain, go back to the mountain, turn the world around. We come from the river, we come from the river, go back to the river, turn the world around. We come from the fire, we come from the fire, go back to the fire, turn the world around. Oh, so
just hang on.
we come from the mountain, we come from the mountain, go back to the mountain, turn the world around. We come from the river, we come from the river, go back to the river, turn the world around. We come from the river, go back to the river, turn the world around. We come from the river, go back to the river, turn the world around.
Shauna, go on over.
Oh, so it's life but raw, so it's life. Oh, so it's life but raw, so it's life.
I see if that recorder is running with him.
So
It should be.
it's life but raw, so it's life. Oh,
I'll come around the back, so in front you'll be taken on.
so it's life. We come from the river, we come from the river, go back to, but turn the world around. We come from the fire, go back to the fire, turn the world
Hey?
around.
Making a noise.
Well, you can see the things go around.
We go
You
from
can
the
tip it, it
river,
doesn't hurt to tip
we
it
come
up so you
from
can see
the
it.
river, we go from the river, we come back to the river, turn the world around. We come from the fire, go back to the fire, turn the world around. We come from the river, we come from the river, go back to the river, turn the world around. We come from the fire.
15 minutes and we come from the river and turn the world around. That's an interesting movie, huh?
We come from the fire, go back to the fire,
Sing one of your
turn the world
Yeah,
around.
sing a song or something. That's baloney. All that is, we're doing the same thing. Thank you.
Our next song is Up to Ryan.
What lights are on the recorder?
All right,
though?
this one over here is me.
Ryan.
Two red ones,
Yeah, red
recorder and play.
Up to
Yeah,
Ryan.
Ryan.
It's okay. Sing, Ryan. You want to sing? Ryan.
See if you get Tabby. Shauna, where'd Tabby go?
Ow. He's such a chicken. Now sing. Sing. Say something. I said something.
Well, if you don't want to do anything, I'm not going to spend time in the tape on just taping that silliness. I can go out to the nut factory and get people to act like that. Come on, let's do some singing or something.
I can't. Alright. Jolly old picnic goers, when you're this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now you dear old man, whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney with your bag, softly you will creep. All the stockings you will find, hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one, you'll be sure to know.
Oh, that's
Johnny wants a pair of skates, Susie wants a sleigh. Millie wants a reading book, one she hasn't read.
Yodeling. Let's do some yodeling.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shauna Antonia. We're going to sing Carrots too. Whenever we have a friend for looks, there's just one thing to do. We take some bird and get some fish and make some carrot stew. Carrot stew, carrot stew. It's our favorite thing to do. Set up one in the carrot stew and cook up the carrot stew. When you come to our little house, green carrots we have a few. That we'll cook it in a pot till it's nice and hot and make some carrot stew. Carrot stew, carrot stew. It's our favorite thing to do. Get a pot and a carrot stew and cook up the carrot stew.
I can't follow you with the camera. You bounced around so much I wasn't able to follow.
Thank you.
Thank you. Where's the cat?
Tabitha.
Get Tabby in, it would take her picture.
Right, do something. I don't know what to do. Oh, just a minute. Let me think of this song. Oh, yeah. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell,
Hi, Tab. Tab. Hi. Hi. Hi, Tabby. Tabby. Hi.
Hi.
Tab. Hi. Meow.
I didn't say anything.
Tab. Hi, Tab. Tabby. Hello, Tabby.
Oh, well. Oh, well.
So much for Tabby. She's not a movie actress.
Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, what fun it is to ride on a open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle
Can't even
bells,
get you. Where are you?
jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. I didn't think my song. Can you sing a song? I can't think of a song. Let me think here. You think.
I hear that.
What? No way. I'll do a dance for you.
A dance? Okay.
Well, just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. Over the moon.
You're moving up close to the camera though again. I can't get you. Stay back. If I want you up close, I can bring you with the lens, but when you come up close, I can't get you. What kind of a dance is that supposed to be? That's the witch doctor's rain dance. We don't need rain.
You're welcome. I interrupt this program, but he polluted me. Get up there. Tell some jokes. Oh, why didn't the chicken cross the road? I forget. Okay, I'll tell some jokes. Why didn't the skeleton cross the road? He didn't have the guts to. I say one. Why can't the Empire Strike? Why don't the baseball players strike the Empire? The Empire Strikes Back.
Okay.